Welcome to ZenFlip. In this tutorial you will learn how to make your content accessible on ZenFlip. Log into ZenFlip.io, go to your dashboard, and click New Publication to upload your PDF. ZenFlip automatically extracts text, maps paragraphs, and removes headers, no manual steps required. Wait for the ready status and you're set. Open the editor and click Settings. Under Accessibility, you'll see the auto-populated page description. Edit this to something specific, like front page of product brochure, and click Away to auto-save. To get AI vision suggestion for image-heavy pages, follow these settings. Go back in the publication details. Go to Accessibility and Content Processing settings. Set vision processing to Smart to focus on visual pages. Below, toggle the text source to AI Enhanced for better screen reader support, then hit Save. Now you will be able to see AI vision suggestion for image-heavy pages automatically applied to the page description. Now, click Preview. Use your arrow keys to navigate between pages. Press the question mark icon on the top right corner to view all keyboard shortcuts. A quick check in DevTools confirms our semantic ARIA markup is active and accessible. Finally, visit our accessibility statement to review our full conformance targets and feature list. Your publication is now fully optimized and compliant. Thanks for watching. Visit ZenFlip.io to start publishing your interactive flipbooks for free.